I'm gonna use it both. Honey is creeping down the hallway and he's gonna get you and eat all your intestines and he will eat you. I'm just gonna try to get his power down because I'm pretty sure I can get his power all the way down. I am going to eat your face and then rip out your intestines and you are going to see your face and on my face. Then you're going to know that I am good at games and stuff and things and I'm handsome. I am really cool and stuff and you will die. Oh, he's quick. Hoo-hee, ha, ha, hoo-hee. Ha, ha, ha. Oh, what? But I used the power. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get him out of power. He's gonna be all out of power. I wonder if it's like multiplicated. I'm gonna get him out of power. It's gonna happen. Yeah. Yeah! I'm not gonna get him because I'm trying to play the power game here. I'm gonna get him out of power. He's gonna be out of power. I know he's gonna be out of power. I know I can get him out of power. I don't know why I didn't drain him from power last time. Wow, this guy is an idiot. Oh, yeah, there I am. Oh, look, it's me. Oh, there you decide to actually be a goofer. What a goof. What a goof. What a goof. Guy belongs on Goof's TV. I am going to eat all of you. I will eat your face and eat your lungs and eat your nipples. Then I'll eat your butt and then your peen. Peen. I will eat your titties and your monkey and your buddy and your brother and your sister. I am Bonnie, I am good, and I will beat you down into the something. There we go. Now he's... Oh, no, 5 a.m. Oh, no, he's gonna get... he's got too much power. Well, maybe I'll find out what happens when I run out of time. See, if it didn't do the thing where that one time that it was bad instead of being good, I mean, it'd be close, I guess, if I can get in there, but I don't think it's gonna happen, because it's gonna hit 6 a.m. and then... Yeah, dang it! I lost! Oh, I'm such a goof! What a big goof I am! I lost! Boo! I didn't know they booed. But that's a bunch of bullcrap. Screw it! Don't boo at me! Oh, I thought something cool was gonna happen. Okay, I'm gonna get him out of power. I know I can. It's gonna take a while. This is really epic music, but I'm gonna get this. I know I can. I'm gonna get him. He's at 40% at 3 a.m. This is kind of a weird backwards thing about everything that I'm... Like, all my instincts are screaming that this isn't exactly how this is supposed to go. But it don't matter because I have got you, baby! I've got you, baby. You're done this time. You're donezo. You're done-a-roni. I'm not gonna attack you, but, I mean, you're done. What I'm saying is that you're done. You're dumb and you're done. You're dumb done. Does it, like, scoot the time forward? Because the cooldown does jump down. I don't know if that's the case. It might do that. I'm going to get you. Oh, this is right down to the wire, huh? Yes! Yeah! Yes! Oh. Oh, what? No! Oh, that's such bullshit! Oh, God! What would have saved me in the original? That's such horse hock! Okay, what happens if I use this? Happy flip! Okay, so what did that do? What good was that? Oh, what good is that? Well, that's a load of baloney. What does that do? What does that do? I don't know what that do. It's like I can use it once in here, and then when I get to the office, like, the cooldown comes back again. Maybe it's just a cool effect to be able to do that, but I mean, I'd like a little more practicality in the things that I get. Yes! Hey! Or boo! Boo! I guess. Woo! I won!
Ooh, I see, Foxy. I see Foxy.
I see Foxy's little camera there. Okay, I don't know what it's gonna do. Go, Foxy, go! Da-da-doo-ba-doo-doo. Oh, I gotta get him, like, out of his cage. I see. So if I use it here, then I go in the office. Oh, it's doubly usable! I can use it once outside and once in the office. Oh, that's